All right, our next break is a 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Football Series 2 10-box case snake draft number 7. Let's jump over here. It'll be a 2-round draft. We'll randomize to get the order for 1 through 5, and then the second round will go in reverse order for 6 through 10. We're going to open up the case, upload the video to YouTube, send out an email with the draft order, the list of hits, and that video link. Customers will be given until tomorrow to rank those cards from 1 to 10. Once I get all list, I'll go through giving each person the highest ranked hit remaining on their list at their pick in the draft. Let's go get our draft order. All right, top pick. Gonna go to Joe. So Joe will get picks 1 and 10. Andy with 2 and 9. John gets picks 3 and 8. Andy again 4 and 7. And Mark will get the end of round 1, beginning of round 2 with 5, 6. All right, let's jump back over here. Good luck, everybody. First hit. Is going to be a 1994 Ultra Isaac Bruce rookie with a Hall of Fame 20 inscription. And that one is certified authentic by Beckett. So an in-person Isaac Bruce, in-person Isaac Bruce rookie card there. All right. Box number 2. We've got a Jalen Waddle, 2021 Prism rookie, signed in person, certified authentic by PSA. Box number 3. Got an Eddie George, 1996 Topps rookie, signed in person, a Hall of Fame. I can't tell what year he went into the Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame, and then the year with PSA DNA certified. Box number 4. We have a 1987 Topps Jim Kelly rookie. In-person signature, certified authentic by PSA. Box number 5. '21 Don Russ rated rookie Travis Etienne, in-person signature, certified authentic by Beckett with a 10 grade on the autograph. Next box. 1989 Pro Set. Rod Woodson rookie. Signed in person, certified authentic by PSA. And the autograph is graded a 10. On that 89, right? All right. Next up, we have a 2012 Topps Platinum Orange Refractor Ryan Tannehill rookie. Signed in person, certified authentic by Beckett. All right. Box number 8. Got a 1991 score, Brett Favre rookie with an in-person signature, certified authentic by PSA. Box number 9. We have a Bryce Young Bowman U First Bowman paper, signed in person, certified authentic by PSA. And final hit here. We've got a DeAndre Swift, Don Russ Rookie Phenoms jersey with an in-person signature, certified authentic by PSA with a grade of 10 on that signature. All right, and that'll do it. Thanks again, everybody. Get that video uploaded and the draft email sent out in just a moment.